ลังดงโตรากิกที่ยงพีเธอตรงเป็นคีวีบงบง Hey, facts about me that I'm not gonna lie. My name is Kin, I'm a really nice guy. I feel a bit shy when I meet pretty girls, especially when they're way more tall. More than me, I reject their calls. Less than me, welcome to my world. But height doesn't matter, who cares at all? If I got a genie, I wish to be tall. People find me funny, I don't get it at all. I mean, I spit the facts and they laugh at that. I hate my studies, so I switch my track. And nowadays, my life is trash. Trash for life, that's what I do. I make less money, but I'm working on it. We're still on the grind with me and my homies. If we got the vibes, let me give you a treat. Didi, pong pong, ping pong สละลังดงโตรากิกที่ยงพีเธอตรงเป็นคีวีบงบง Hey Didi, pong pong, ping pong สละลังดงโตรากิกที่ยงพีเธอตรงเป็นคีวีบงบง Hey